Yeah.
It's good.
You remember me now?
Of course. Some things are still fuzzy, but it's getting better.
Things you remember what matters most. Okay, I'm gonna get a room and fed and we'll get tomorrow.
Okay.
Love you.
No donuts. Not sure why I said that.
Bones are a remarkable thing to do. To rewire itself, repair itself, and the creative force needs to protect us. That's why we must treat the cause, not just the symptom. Very good.
Is there a heaven?
Well, I don't know. I'd like to think so.
Then there's a hell.
So I think we live on in the memories of the people that loved us.